Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on Alcatel 3T10 4G. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. And right here we can customize the browser. So change the theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization and switch the privacy protection settings. Read the privacy notice, click on start browsing, and your browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.